तो से अगेन
1917
वापस जरा बोल दो।
हिंदी में बोलो।
हाँ हिंदी में।
एक क्रिश्चियन देखा मैंने, जो नॉर्मल उनकी ड्रेस होती है वही पहनी हुई थी, क्रॉस लगा हुआ था। शहर का नाम कनेक्टिकट आया। 1917 was the year, and there was nothing wrong in that whole scene. He was in a church. Probably my husband was his friend. That is what I could relate. From the church we go to some house, nice house, जहाँ काफ़ी बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, और मेरे को और कोई ज़्यादा सीन्स नहीं दिखे। जो भी दिखा was okay, playing or I'm doing some work or something. And when you say that you go onto the bed, you are dying and all, so I'm just lying down and some friends are there with me, and I just pass. After that I meet Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and he blesses me. I meet my father, and
It's okay to cry.
2007, 5 o'clock in the morning, when I got a call from my father that I'm having some discomfort. I've had 3-4 vomitings, and I told him some medicine. He was a diabetic, and I told my mother, please take him to the hospital. His sugar levels shouldn't go down. And I spoke to him around 12:30 in the afternoon. He said, I'm fine. He was in the hospital only. The hospital people had checked all his parameters. Everything was fine. Said, I want to go home. So I said, no, you will eat something. Make sure that you don't vomit. Then and then you'll go home. Otherwise you won't. So tea and some biscuits were given. He took it, was fine for half an hour, and after that he again vomited. So he said, I'm having some kind of backache. The hospital people changed his mattress, and 5 o'clock I was in my clinic seeing some 2-3 small children, 4th, 5th standard children, and I get a call that he is no more. My mother was sitting next to him, and she said nothing happened. His mouth just opened. There was no complaint, no fear, no pain, nothing. His mouth just opened and he was no more. I was 7th month pregnant then, and it was a shock for all of us because he was a very active man. No problem now, nothing. And after 1 month my daughter was born, and my only question to him was, is Japni you? My daughter's name is Japni, and he said yes. Yes, I've come back to you as your daughter only. So this is what I saw. Second thing that was told to me was, I need to forgive people if I have a grudge against them, or they doing anything, I shouldn't carry it too hard, and I need to forgive people, the many people who do some mistakes, and I carry it, why did this person cheat, or why did this person behave like this with me? Because normally I'm not the one who lies or cheats or no such thing. So, but when people do it, I really feel bad. So this was one message that I got, that I need to forgive and forget whosoever does whatever.